Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 3 of our series, How to Model a House in Revit. In this video, we'll walk through how to create walls, place structural columns, and add floors to your project. So let's get started. We're going to create the exterior and interior walls. Head over to the Architecture tab, then click Wall under the Build section. In the Properties palette, choose your wall type. For example, let's go with brick on CMU for the exterior and partition for the interior. Now it's time to draw our walls. Start by outlining the exterior walls and be sure to follow the grid lines for precision. So for our next example, we can make the walls by clicking on grid A1 and dragging the wall to A3. And just click and drag for the rest of the walls. Click on Modify, then Measure. Make sure that the dimension is set to aligned and change the number to 3,500 mm. Once the exterior is done, move inside and start drawing the interior walls. To make sure they connect perfectly, use the Trim or Extend to Corner tool. This tool makes it super easy to join walls and intersections without any gaps. If you need to make adjustments to your walls, just click on one and you can easily change its height, thickness, or even the materials. For the exterior walls, make sure they run from the foundation all the way up to the roof. Alright, now let's add some structural support with columns and beams. Go to the Structure tab and click on Column. You'll want to place these columns at the grid intersections for accuracy. Once you've placed them, be sure to adjust their height to match the level you're working on. Feel free to drop in questions about the video or suggestions for future ones down in the comments. Next up, we'll add floors. This is where your house really starts to take shape. In your floor plan view, go back to the Architecture tab and select Floor. Now, draw the floor boundary by clicking along the walls. Here's a quick tip. Use the Pick Wall tool so that your floor boundary automatically aligns with the walls, saving you so much time. Once the boundary is set, don't forget to adjust the thickness and materials in the Properties palette. You might use a concrete slab for the ground floor and wooden joists for the upper levels. Make sure it matches your design intent. To make things even easier, you can copy and paste the floor onto other levels and tweak the properties as needed. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial, and I hope it helped you with modeling the basic structure of your design. So if you found this series useful, please do like and subscribe to our channel to see future videos and future uploads for the next steps in creating a full house in Revit. So thanks for watching and see you next time.